Hey everyone, we do a lot of cooking with fresh basil, and we usually get those little plastic containers in the produce section, but the problem with that is that they turn brown and they even get moldy sometimes before we get to use them. So rather than be bothered with any of that, I decided to get a basil plant to propagate, and I'll show you how I do it. I got this basil plant from Lowe's, and I'm going to take cuttings from it to root and make more plants. So I want the stem to be nice and long. I'm going to cut right here below this node. Before I put it in the water, I'll just trim off these lower leaves. This way the leaves won't sit in the water. Okay. And these definitely won't go to waste. We'll use them for dinner later. I'll leave this out on the deck every day to get sunlight, but not direct sunlight. And I'll change the water every day so that it doesn't get slimy. And within a week or two, little roots will start to form. Now I'll pot one that's already rooted, and I'll be using this Back to the Roots organic potting mix that I got at Lowe's. It's all-purpose and great for herbs, veggies, and fruits. Now I'm going to pot this one, and you can see this one has nice long roots. I'm going to use this pot, which is filled halfway with dirt, and I'll pre-moisten the dirt. So I'm just going to take this and put it in there, and I'm just fanning the roots out a little bit, and I'm going to add more dirt on top and try to spread it evenly, and I'm just getting a little more dirt. And I don't want to pack it too tightly. I think that should be good. And now I'll just give it a little more water. And this pot has drainage holes. And I want to make it pretty wet because it was in this environment of pure water, so until it gets used to its new home, you want to keep it nice and moist. So as you can see, with propagation, we have plenty of basil. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.